Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Hi everybody, I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is your Geek Out for Thursday, June 28th, 2012. Our Geek Out is brought to you by GoToAssist from Citrix. Working in IT can be crazy and unpredictable unless you have GoToAssist. It'll help you stay on top of it all. GoToAssist's world-class remote support allows you to solve your users' problems quickly from anywhere. And for a free 30-day trial, visit GoToAssist.com, click the Try It Free button, and use the promo code Pirillo. What to expect in Android Jelly Bean with Project Butter. Good news is, I think I'm getting excited about Android. And, it's cool to like something from Google. I use Google Chrome. It's cool to love something from Apple. I have an iPad. It's cool to love something from Microsoft. I happen to think that the Xbox 360 is a great platform. I don't have to like one company or another. We can all like things that are generally good, and I think we can all agree that the Jelly Bean update will be good for everybody, if only because everything will be smoother. Yay! Google unveils the $199 quad-core Nexus 7 Android tablet, and I ordered it yesterday, live on YouTube. You guys saw me whip out my credit card and buy one. Only I got the 16 gig version, which was $250. Dude, I had to have it. I mean, I told you, it would be an impulse buy at that price. And I don't know how much I'm going to be able to sell the Kindle Fire for. So if you want to make an offer, drop me a line, chris@Pirillo.com. And I got to tell you, the Nexus 7 will probably be more of a competitor for the Kindle Fire than it will the iPad, if only because of the price point. How to stop annoying Google Plus event email notifications. It makes it easier to coordinate the event before, during, and after. I tried it, and put on an event that you'll find out about in tomorrow's vlog. Needless to say, you might be surprised. So you could get bombarded with email notifications. We show you how to turn it off. Tutoring seniors in a YouTube age. Just seems that video is more dynamic. I mean, wouldn't you rather me teach you something in video than you read me saying something to teach you something in the written word? That sounded awkward. But of course, I can't really go back and edit the video. Video is a great tool for teaching, and I think seniors are catching on. Pondering Ridley Scott's Prometheus. I have not yet seen this movie. Has anybody seen the movie? Do you guys think it was worth the time to see the movie? We've got some free passes to see some kind of movie. I don't know. We got to pick it at random. I don't know if we're going to use it on Prometheus. I'm just not really much of a horror genre kind of guy. Sci-fi, yes. Scared out of my pants, no. 10 things I find distracting. Well, not me necessarily, although some of the points the author of this blog article brings up I happen to agree with, including the phone. I'm not really a fan of using a phone to talk to people unless I'm texting them. Android's ice cream sandwich, 10 tips, tricks, and new features. You can invert screen rendering, remove the lock screen, access notifications from the lock screen, set up your own personal text message to reject callers, control your data usage, enjoy a new internet browsing experience, use Face Unlock, of course, and then you could also turn automatic icons off if you want. A couple of other tips and tricks that we shared with you for those who are lucky enough to have ice cream sandwich today. Google Chrome is now available for iOS, and it's awesome. This is what I'm running to read the show notes that I happen to use when I'm doing these geek outs. And it looks like Google Chrome on the desktop. You can synchronize bookmarks and history and other things. So it looks exactly like Google Chrome does on the desktop. But the thing I love most is when I begin typing in a domain in the Omnibar, the first option is usually the option that I want because it's a part of the history. My history on Google Chrome, because I save history and I have it synchronized across devices. If I select that first option, that website's there automatically. It loads it in the background. So as you're typing out the domain, it will go and fetch that site, that page, that first search result, so that when you complete it, the site's there. Ha ha! That is awesome! Apple is allegedly working on a revamped iTunes. God. I just wish they would kill iTunes already. And it seems that they're probably moving that direction. They just released the podcast app as a separate application for you to manage your podcasts. Jacob Thriller 1982 on LockerGnome.net asks, my workplace has a Hackintosh. Should I tell someone? I wouldn't necessarily snitch, and I also wouldn't necessarily brag about it. Tell them that if they really want to experience OS X in its glory, they should get a Mac. Abel Luna on LockerGnome.net asks, why doesn't Apple upgrade the iPod Touch? Is it because there's no competition? Yes and no. I mean, there's a lot of competition for mobile media. Most people use their smartphones to manage their, well, media, or they're using their tablets. I mean, getting a dedicated MP3 player just seems like a mildly antiquated idea. Some people do. And maybe they're just waiting for something new to add to the iPod Touch before they update it. But I definitely wouldn't say it's because of a lack of competition. There's plenty of competition. Oh great, now I've confused both the Apple fanboys and the Google fanboys by being both. We'll see you later.
That is awesome!